If you want to change the footer on MailChimp, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your email footer so your campaigns always show the right permission reminder and contact details. This is important for keeping your emails professional, accurate, and compliant. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Then sign into your account using your email address and password. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click Audience. This is where MailChimp keeps your subscriber lists and audience settings, so it's the correct place to manage footer information for your email campaigns. Now that you're on the audience page, go to the top right corner and click the More Options menu, which is the three dots icon. From the drop-down menu, select Audience Settings. This section gives you access to the settings tied to your audience, including the footer details that appear in your emails. Next, scroll down until you find the Email Settings section. Here, you'll see Required Email Footer Content. This is the area MailChimp uses to automatically add footer text to the bottom of your email campaigns. It usually includes your permission reminder, business details, and other required contact information. To make changes, click Edit next to Required Email Footer Content. A pop-up window will open, and this is where you can customize the footer content for your audience. Start by updating the permission reminder. This message tells subscribers why they're receiving your emails, such as signing up through your website, joining your mailing list, or opting in through a form. Make sure this message is clear, accurate, and matches how people actually subscribed. After that, review your contact information carefully. Update your company or organization name, contact name, reply email address, phone number if you want to include one, physical mailing address, and the website URL where subscribers joined your audience. This information should always be current because it helps build trust and keeps your emails looking professional. Take a moment to double-check everything before saving. A small typo in your footer details can make your emails look less polished, so it's worth reviewing the whole section carefully. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save Footer Content. MailChimp will save your updates, and from that point forward, all future email campaigns sent to that audience will use the new footer information. And that's it! You've successfully changed the footer on MailChimp. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go, and now your email campaigns will have updated footer details that match your brand. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.